everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lindsay, and I am back today with not necessarily a review, but kind of first impressions, kind of not. This company asked me to review their spring twist hair, and I'm not going to be using the hair anytime soon. I have no idea when I'll be putting spring twist back in my hair, but they asked me to review it, and I told them I would do kind of like an unboxing first impressions video first, and then when I decide to install the hair, then I will do a hair tutorial. This company, of course, is on Amazon. They go by the name of Youngther, I think. Youngther. I think that's how you pronounce it, but I will leave everything down below in the description box so you guys can check them out. But again, they did send me some spring twists, so I will be showing you guys how the spring twists look and feel, and also let you guys know the color that I got this time. So enough about that, let's go ahead and jump into it. Now, if you guys are familiar with me, I have been doing passion twist and spring twist for a year and a half now. I started last year about like February, so I've been doing those styles for a while, but honestly I'm getting ready to take a break from both of them. If you guys are familiar with most of these brands on Amazon when it comes to spring twist and passion twist and also other hair, they usually send you 6-packs. So I do have a 6-pack of spring twist hair in this bag. Of course, they always send me a crochet needle. They send me a little mirror that I never ever use, but I appreciate it. And they send me a couple of beads, and they send me some clips. So I'm only going to take 1 pack of the hair out, but before I do that, once again, this is, I think, Youngther store. So this is their spring twist crochet hair, 6 packs, 8 inches, ombre color. So the color that I got is 1B30. The reason for that is because out of the colors with the spring twist so far, I have not used 1B30, and I don't think I've used the burgundy color, so I definitely wanted to try the 1B30 in the spring twist since I dyed my hair brown. So on Amazon it says $20.99, plus you have the 5% coupon, so you save $1. And then it's something else on here, 5% off, that I've been noticing with a couple products lately. So very affordable, $20.99 for 6 packs of spring hair. So this is how the hair comes in, these little packets, and then it has the color up here in the corner which says 1B30. So if you are not familiar with spring twist hair, this is how the spring twist hair usually looks. So again, this is 1B30, so it is ombre shade, so that is really nice. So far the hair is kind of soft, kind of not. It's not really hard, but I do feel some softness. It's a little tad bit frizzy. Normally when I get frizzy hair before I start it, I usually have a hard time trying to twist it. And it looks like the way it's cut, it has some stuff going on. So of course, when I decide to install this, I will be doing a video and let you guys know like my review on their hair, because even though all these spring twist hair and passion twist hair pretty much the same hair, doesn't mean they are manufactured the same way. I think that's the correct word I'm using. But yeah, because sometimes I have a good batch of hair, other times I don't, so it really depends. But the color is nice, of course, 1B30. So I'll be sure to leave all the information down in the description box so you guys can check them out. And I will keep you guys updated whenever I decide to go back to spring twist. I will have a tutorial Well, I don't know if I'll have a tutorial because I've done tutorials in the past, so I'll be sure to link those in the cards as well in the description box below. But I will probably do a review on this hair, like a final review, and probably some updates. We'll see how that goes when the time comes. But I want to thank the company again for reaching out to me, asking me to review their hair. So that is pretty much it. I just wanted to show you guys the color and show you guys how the hair looks, of course, let you guys know the first impressions about this hair so far. So make sure you guys comment down below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and of course don't forget to share this video with your family and friends. If you are a new subscriber, welcome, and if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button as well as the post notification bell so you guys will not miss a new upload from yours truly. Once again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you in my next one.